first YY class. So I'm so excited, really. I know some of you are also excited, the same with me. I'm so excited. Yeah, and how are you guys? Anyway, I think everyone is prepared for this YY class, and I'm so happy to be here. And for this YY class, I have a goal. I am so excited to tell you something about myself, my diary. Yeah, I guess you know what diary is. Diary is something that is the experiences and the secret of someone. So you may know some of my secrets. Okay, don't tell anyone. Please. Oh, thank you, Nancy. Thank you, Nancy. And for others who don't know me, okay, by the way, again, Mary from Philippines, and I am an Easy Learn teacher for about 4 months now, 4 or 5 months. And I'm so excited to meet you all. I think, yeah, Easy Learn students are really awesome, and you are too many. Vampire Diary. Yes, right. So about diary, I guess some of you are making diaries, right? So well, hi everyone. Yeah, but I cannot hear you for now. Maybe soon. I hope to meet you all. So let's begin now because we have 1 hour. Right. Wait a moment. Okay. All right. So we have 1 hour to have my class, my PPT. I prepared this really for 1 week because I really want to share with you a lot about me and also about Easy Learn. So for this, okay, pretty girl. Thank you so much, everybody. You're so nice. And by the way, today is really so busy for me and for everyone. I think all of you are working or studying. So now I hope you are prepared for my YY class. I'm excited to start. So now, okay, talking about my diary, who am I? Okay, I introduce myself. Mary. I'm young. Maybe you don't know my age, but I'm young. It's a secret. Well, I am 22 years old. So maybe a lot of you are younger than me, but still, I started teaching when I was 18 years old. Yeah, when I was 18, I already started teaching. Really? Really? Because teaching, when I was a little kid, I used to, I wish to be a teacher. And now I am an online teacher, and I do this for 4 years now, and it's very exciting. I'm not getting tired of teaching. And also, I like the people here in the Lian Lian and Facebook because they are very nice. You're very young. Anyway, thank you. I know all of you are also young, younger than me. So let's get started about my interests. Okay, I hope you are seeing my PPT. This is all about my interests that I don't tell any. Maybe some people know that, but I don't tell them. Now I'm gonna tell you. Okay. Oh, anyway, I'm an active person. As you can see, I have this big ears. Yeah, I have this big ears because I love being young. I love being like a little, oh, sorry. Okay. All right. I love being like a little kid. That's why my ears is big because I have also another ears, but I cannot find. It's a Mickey Mouse. So I like Mickey Mouse, but this one, do you know what's this? Is rabbit, right? rabbit, rabbit ears. So I'm an active person because um, I like playing. Although I'm already old, I think I'm old enough, but I really love playing, like wearing costume, funny clothes, and what so. And okay, why do I say I'm active? How can I say that? Because I don't like boring. I don't like a very quiet place. Because I'm active, I like to hear music, a loud music or noisy people. I like also partying, party, and I like to, have fun with the people, just like to tell jokes. Many my friends are saying that I'm really funny and jolly because I always tell jokes and they always laugh so hard. They say I'm very talkative. Yeah, they say that I always speak a lot and I don't feel tired of talking. Mary is very talkative. Yeah, and party animal? Yes, I'm a party animal, Jofi. I believe I already talked to you, and you would say that I'm really active and I speak too much, and you will not feel bored when you are with me because I can tell you a lot of things about me. Anything that you want to know, I can tell you. Yeah. And all my friends, even my new friends, they would always say, "Oh, Mary, you're so talkative. Mary, you're so funny. You're so jolly," like that. Because I really like a very, I don't like boring and a quiet environment. But I understand that some of you don't like noisy. I don't like noisy, okay? I don't like the very noisy places like the crying people or angry people. I just like to hear happy people, happy places, the music, and a lot more. So you are all my new friends, and I'm so happy that I already have a lot of Easy Learn friends. I'm so happy to have so many friends here. That's why I introduce myself to you, to all of you, so that you can really get to know me more. Okay, so this is why I can say that I'm active. Okay, what about for my dislikes? Okay, you know what? I do not always tell about my dislikes, but I'll tell you, okay. Nice to meet you. I don't know your name, but nice to meet you. I hope to meet you soon anyway. By the way, my WeChat ID, if you, I really want to meet you more. This is my WeChat. Okay, you can add me. Okay, so, well, again, about my dislikes. Okay, I hope that you understand about my dislikes. Really, I'm just really a person. Sometimes I don't like something, right? Because I am picky. I am picky. I dislike so many things. Haha. I don't like swimming. I like to swim, but I don't know how to swim because I'm so scared. Oh my god, stupid, right? I'm too old and then I do not know how to swim. Okay, so it's really so embarrassing to tell people that I cannot swim. So I hope someone can help me. Okay. I hope that someone can help me how to swim in the future. Oh yeah, you want if people like to learn, we like to study. But I'm afraid, so I cannot do it. Okay. And then drinking alcohol. I think all of you, most of you would like to drink alcohol, right? But I do not because when I'm drinking alcohol, my face turns red and I become a red woman. And then I feel dizzy like maybe when I was younger I tried when I was younger, but now I don't do it anymore because it's so bitter. I don't like the taste. Like I vomit like that. Anyway, very embarrassing. But still, I want to know. I want to learn how to drink so that when I go party, I can drink with someone. So what do I like? I like Coca-Cola. I like Coca-Cola. Oh my goodness. Coca-Cola is the best drink in the world for me. Okay? Every day I would drink Coca-Cola. And hamburger. Oh, okay. Sunny knows that. My students know that I like hamburger. That's why I became really fat before. But now I'm not fat, right? Do I look fat? I think I'm not fat now. Before, I was so fat. Okay. And you don't like to drink. Yeah, I don't like to drink alcohol. And I never eat vegetables. Oh, I never eat vegetables. Really. Why? Because vegetables, when I eat them, it's like drinking alcohol, like I vomit. Like, oh, what's this? It's vegetable. No, 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 no. Please do not give me vegetables. Yeah, and also another food that I don't eat. I don't eat tofu. Please do not give me tofu. I'm not eating that. Yeah. Uh, okay. Get up the courage for fear you will meet a new world sometimes. Oh yeah, you're so smart. I am mature, but then I'm just sensitive. Okay, I think I am mature. Many people would say I'm mature. I am. But really, my feelings are very sensitive. I feel I easily get hurt, especially when a boyfriend leaves me. Okay, so yeah. Okay, and boring things. Oh yeah, I like to change. For example, my clothes. Now I am doing this kind of weird things. Maybe some people don't like this, but I like it because it looks so funny, right? Okay, and say whatever I want. Oh yeah, I say whatever I want. I don't care. Woo! I will introduce to you someone. Hello, come on. I have here on the next page. I will be introducing to you my baby. Ah, please stop. Sorry, he doesn't like me today. Maybe later. Yeah, my dog. Yeah, I have two dogs. Yeah, my dogs are really my baby. They are very cute, but you didn't see them. I will send to you their picture. Oh, I have a picture here of them. Yeah, because I really love my dogs, but now I cut their hair because it's summer, and they feel very, very they feel so hot in summer. Here is the picture. I know you can see it, I believe, but I'm sharing another one. Okay. Anyway, so about my my not so good things about me. I don't really like trusting easily. Okay, I don't like trusting people very quickly. Like, for example, not about myself. You know, I can always introduce myself to everybody. I trust people to know about me because I'm proud. Even though I'm not perfect, but I would love everybody to meet me. Your dog is handsome. Thank you so much. And okay, these are the not so good things about me. But I'm not a bad person, okay? I'm not bad. But there are really some things that are not so good about people, that I'm lazy. I'm sorry, I'm lazy. And I easily get annoyed when I don't like someone. And I'm very sensitive when I hear something not so good. And I easily get bored, so I like to change a lot of things. And I say whatever I want. Oh yeah. Example, I can see that there's something not good about you. Example, your your spoken English. Maybe I would really say that I guess you really have to practice with your pronunciation because I usually hear, a mistake, blah, blah, blah. I can always say that. I know some students will maybe get upset. Okay. But I would love to help people by telling them what they really need. Okay. So, oh yeah, I give my dog a bath. Oh, today I'm not lazy to clean them. Okay, I just gave them a bath today before our class, and okay, the things that I want to change now, I want to change my Mm, oh, not. Oh, yeah. I want to go to China. I want to change my place. I want to see the Chinese people. All right. I really want to change my environment, to change my friends, to see other people. I will go to China if there is a chance, if I earn enough money. Okay. Anyway, now we can move on to the next page. My goodness, I'm very talkative. Now, oh, my favorites. I love to tell you about my favorites that I love doing cute and weird things. Just like this thing, I know this is weird, but I love to do it because it is cute. And about playing cards and mahjong. I love playing mahjong, everyone. Mahjong, like, the Chinese game. This is a Chinese traditional game. Right? But I love to do it. This is also very popular in China. Yeah, I know, in Philippines as well. Ah, mahjong. Oh, sorry, my spelling is wrong. In Philippines, we call it mahjong. Mahjong, mahjong. Sorry, I don't know how to say it right. Okay. And my two little dogs, oh, now they're outside. But earlier they were here. But next time I will show you. Okay. And, oh, I love shopping for shoes. Where's my new shoes? Oh, I just bought a new shoes and it's so cute. But I already showed my other students my new shoes and it's high heel shoes. I look so pretty with that. Okay. And I love bags. Okay, I have a lot of bags over here on my side. And then I love Prada, fashionable. Okay, I have here, okay. I love Hello Kitty, guys. I will show you my Hello Kitty bag that I really love. Okay, and this one, my favorite bag, usually this is Hello Kitty, right? For girls, I think maybe you like Hello Kitty. So, because I feel young, so I like pink Hello Kitty bag. Alright, and also a lot of bags over there, but anyway. Okay. So I also like fashionable thing, like my necklace, my bracelet, my earrings. Yeah, I like really um, fashionable thing. Okay, and wearing makeup. Oh, I have here lots of makeup to share with you. I have here lipstick, my eyebrows, and I like to look beautiful. Although I don't know if it looks beautiful, but I would really love to. Okay, wearing makeup, and I like to teach someone to, for example, I have a new friend and my new friend doesn't know how to put makeup. I can help them and show them how I do it. Um, okay, I also like to go shopping for bracelet and whatever. Oh yeah, and then and also sometimes and also I like wearing shades. So I have a lot. I have a lot of shades to wear because because it's in Philippines. It's really sunny here. It's really sunny and the sun is so bright. Oh, Lulu, I want to help you, Lulu, to wear makeup. Okay, please. Um, uh, Tell me when you need to learn. Okay, and also, oh, riding motorcycle. You know, guys, I am the person who always loved to ride the motorcycle because motorcycle is very interesting for me. When I travel everywhere, I go to the mall, I go to the restaurant, I go to the shopping center, whatever. I always use my motorcycle. All right. And also, I like to, drive with my friend. My friend will be, riding at my back. All right. It's really so fun riding the motorcycle everywhere I go. So I hope in China, if I go to China, I like to ride my motorcycle, if possible. Okay. I don't have a car. Sorry, I don't know how to drive. And maybe I will earn first. But I'm planning to buy a car next year. Probably, I hope. Okay. And I super love teaching in Lian Lian. Really. Every day when I am free, I really always wait for my students to call me, and I feel sad when nobody calls me. Okay, really, when I am online, I want everyone to call me, but then I know, some of you are really busy. Yeah, I understand a lot of you are working, studying, yes. So I really love to work in Lian Lian. This is my Lian Lian. This is me. And when I want to work, I click this start tutoring. Yeah, when I want to work, and that's it. And anyway, I would like to introduce to you about appointment. So you make an appointment with the teacher if you like. You can click that. Anyway. Okay, later on I will introduce to you that if you want to study on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and anytime you want. What time you want, like that. I'm always online anyway. Okay. Okay. So also I love traveling with my friends, especially when we are going to the beach. Oh, I send you a picture of the places that I love to travel. I would love to share everything with you if we have a class soon. I want to share you more pictures. Yeah. And these are my friends, some of them. Yeah. And Chiang Mai, Thailand. Oh, Elaine likes to ride motorcycle in Thailand. It's very far. Okay. And also, I like eating sweet snacks. I like eating, chocolates, very sweet candies, hamburger, French fries. I feel hungry now. I really love eating everything that is very delicious, although it's not healthy. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I love smiling, Stephanie. You know, every students would always say that when they are so shy in teaching, I'm just smiling and they see it. Okay, thank you so much. I hope to see you next, very soon, Stephanie. Okay, and, oh yeah, these are all my favorites. We can move on to the things I like to learn that I hope someone can help me. I like to learn new things. I want to drive a car. I want to drive a car, but I don't have a car and I don't know how to practice. So I really love everyone to I want to see everyone driving. It seems like it's so fantastic. But but maybe soon. And I want to learn swimming, but I'm afraid. Right? I told you earlier. I want to share you a picture. And this one is the picture with my friends. They are swimming, but I am just taking pictures because I don't know how to swim. Okay, so stupid, Mary. So, and also I like to play basketball. Wow. Especially if a very tall guy would help me. Peter Dad could teach you how to play basketball. Peter Dad. Peter Dad? Who is Peter Dad? Peter's dad. Maybe. Alright. Okay. How tall are you? Oh yeah, I am tall, everyone. I am 170 centimeters. 170 cm. Yeah, I'm a tall girl. So that playing basketball is really, useful for me, very effective. I'm a tall woman. I want to show you my picture, but I'm shy. Wait, I want to, okay. Here, I have a picture on my phone. My, my height, really, before I'm joining the beauty contests. Do you know beauty contests, everyone? They are the contests for the girls, the beautiful girls in the city, if they want to become popular and have a prize. Okay, I have here a picture. Wait a moment. It's very slow. I really want to show you so that you can see how tall I am. So this is my picture. I hope you guys can see clearly. Wait. Oh, it's not. Okay, I think oh, alright. Anyway, yeah, that's really my height. Okay, and also when I join beauty pageants, I really love joining the contests. Okay, I have here a picture to show you so that you would see. Before I won. I won, really. I'm so happy. This is my picture when I won. Oh, not clear. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Happy image. Oh, sorry everyone. It's not sending. But. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, I was a champion. Thank you so much. And really, it was really so fun to join beauty contests because, people would know me and then they would see my height, that I'm a tall woman and I can really be proud of myself, and my family are really happy for me to win the game, the contest. Okay, another thing. All right. I want to be a singer. Oh. Okay, I want to be a singer, but I really don't know how to sing. I have a very bad voice. I don't want to be a dancer. I want to dance, but maybe sometimes I'm good at dancing, but most of the time I'm not good. Alright, but really, I would really love to practice because I believe most people are talented. A lot of people have a very good talent of, yeah, of singing, dancing, but I don't have a talent. Anyway, this one, I have another picture to show. I'm so proud of myself. I hope that you like my pictures. Yeah. Okay. And about the Chinese. Oh, I want to speak Chinese because if I travel to China, I'm afraid that some people would maybe would not understand me if I speak English. So I hope in the future to become a very good English speaker, Chinese speaker. I want to learn Chinese Mandarin. I only know very little. I only know 晚上好,下午好. Okay, very, very little. Sing a song. Oh my God. Sorry, I cannot do that. It's very embarrassing. I sing very, very bad. And also, I don't know how to sing Chinese song. Maybe. I'm shy, everyone. Okay, I will sing. Um, what do you want me to sing? What? What to sing? uh, what to sing, everyone? Give me a suggestion. Or maybe later. Anyway, next, I want to learn how to bake a cake. Oh, baking a cake is very baking a cake. Interesting. Baking a cake. And okay, it's a bit noisy. What's that? Oh, hello? Alright, never mind. So, okay. So, and then baking a cake is very interesting. So, I would like to learn. Maybe some of you are really good in baking. I hope that in the future you can help me. And I would also love to do a magic. Oh my God, wrong spelling. This is magic, okay? Sorry, I'm just a person. Okay, magic. Yeah, I love to learn how to do a magic, especially when I'm doing when I'm playing cards. Yeah, I love to play magic. Okay, so these are the things that I really want to learn. I want to learn how to drive a car. I want to swim. I want to play basketball. I want to speak Chinese. Really, I want to bake a cake. I like baking and to do a magic. Okay, I hope you can help me. Please. And then, oh, my best experiences. Wow, this is so interesting. So about best experiences, I went to a very famous island here in the Philippines that I want to share with you. Okay. Sure. Oh, but I prepared a picture and now I cannot find it. Okay. All right. Oh, but in this picture, I look so fat because before I was fat. I'm shy to share you my fat picture, everyone. Okay, maybe in the future, I would like to share you my picture. But when I went to a very beautiful island in the Philippines, I went there with my family for the first time. They were so happy. We also took the airplane. They were so excited to do that, and I'm very happy to help them. Really was so fun. And then I went to a very, very, very good park with my family and my boyfriend before. But now, okay, I don't have a Okay, I don't have the boyfriend anymore. All right, something just happened, and okay, just with my family. All right, no boyfriend anymore. Okay, just before, recently. Okay. Anyway, and also when I joined Lian Lian, really was very good experience. Before I was working for for another company. Then Thea, oh no, Fiona found me, and then I joined Lian Lian, and it was so fun because I found a lot of new friends and a new environment. Okay, and also I joined Lian Lian in April 2016. Until now, I'm working. And also, a very best experience when I joined a beauty contest and then I won. I showed you a picture, right? Remember? Okay. All right. And then now I have a game. I want to, before we go to the game, I hope, guys, you have, got to know me. You know me now well. Okay. About my likes, my dislikes, my experiences, and something about me. Okay. And all right, I would love now to play a word game. This is a word game that I want to introduce my Chinese students. This is very good because it can help you to learn more new words. It's really fun. I like to do it in my free time. And then also you can learn more about English words. There are 4 pictures given. You will know how to describe pictures and how to improve your comprehension on how you will understand a sentence. Let's start. Okay, now, hey, can you see this? We have 4 pictures. Okay, and then we also have 12 letters. Okay, and the word has 6 letters. Okay, you just have to, I will describe the pictures and then you tell me what is this. Okay, so, well, okay, about the first picture, wait a moment, please. Okay, wait. Okay, so, wait a moment, please. You can learn 3 words. 3 words, oh yeah. Okay, so, well, for loan application, I guess, if you are learning about the words, then a picture, you would have to know how to describe it, right? For example, this is 4 picks 1 word. Loan. Okay. If you would love to learn about something, you have to know how to describe it first. So, what to do? What to do now? What is this? So this is supposed to be something that you can... Okay, first one is loan, right? Wait a moment. Okay, first one is loan. So loan is about credit. Loan, okay. I already said it. Okay, this is about... Okay, first letter is C. Okay, this is just an example. Well, if you have a loan, you have to pay for it, right? You have to pay for your loan. You have to also, if you are playing a game, then you have to, you will win something. Okay, this is about money. Okay, and then, okay, well, this is an example. This is E, B. Oh yeah, oh my God, Jofi is very smart. And Lulu and Paris, my God, this is credit. Goodness, you're so smart. Anyway, credit. Yeah. Why? Why credit? Okay. Why credit is because if you're talking about money, right? And then if you're playing a game, we have this word credit. Something that you will get if you win the game. Okay. And then if you are talking about the end, credits. If at the end of a show, at the end of a movie, there are people you have to thank. The director, the actors, the actresses, that's credits. For example, this movie um, is credited by, for example, Mary and Thea and blah blah blah. It means we were able to do this show entirely. Okay, and this is about money. Okay, so yeah. Well, if you download this game, I hope you download it. It's really interesting. Okay, now we can go to the next game. Next word. Okay, so there is already a keyword at the end. Okay, at the end there's already a keyword. It ends with the letter E. So, what? Okay, if the first word, how would you describe this? This is a child, I believe, right? This is a child, or wait. Mhm. So the kid is pointing at another child. Okay, you are trying to point or to this is my brother. Okay, so you are telling someone who that person is. It ends with the letter E, everybody. Okay, and this is if you have a car, there is a light which is showing the signal or a message to someone. Also, this one, they are the lights showing a message, like a gesture, sending message to someone. No. And then this is something that is used to show something, a message. If for example I tell you this, or you see a message, right? Peace, it means peace. Okay, this word is, you will learn a word today. In the what? Indicate. Oh my god, Candy is smart. Indicate. Yeah, indicate, it means to show something, right? To show something or someone a message. Okay, a message. For example, yeah, this boy indicates that this man is something, or his brother, or whatever, right? Or the car indicates that it will turn to the left. Okay, this means that the car indicates that it's going to the left, and this indicates a color, a whatever. Okay, all right. So indicate. I hope that you can remember that word. All right. Anyway, we don't have enough time anymore. We only have 7 minutes, and I have something to tell you before anything else. I would love to tell you something about Easy Learn. Something that is the importance of Easy Learn to everybody. I have a lot of Easy Learn students, and most of them are really busy to practice, because some of them are also lazy to practice. But well, I understand that. Really, studying English is hard, right? This is a language. There are so many words to remember and so many rules. But if we practice, that's the time that you can improve that. Okay, I will read this. for you. Okay, Easy Learn teachers are well trained to help our Easy Learn students to practice more efficiently online through one-on-one video class for about 30 minutes using our materials, our PPTs, right? Um, Also, if you don't have a homework, you can also practice another PPT if you want, another mini lesson or a free talk, because it can help you on how to speak more with foreign teachers so that you can always learn something new. Okay. And also, you can improve faster if you have more practice. Okay. Okay. And now, um, I have a special task. Okay. I found my friends. We have new Easy Learn teachers from the Philippines, and they are my friends. Just like me, most of them are also friendly, just like me. They will make you happy. Just like what I do for you. All right. And then they are really good. They can make friends with you, everyone. But of course, I want to teach you as well. I hope that you can add me. This is my WeChat. You can add me if you want to practice with me. I would love to help you, everyone, because this is my full-time job. I really love speaking English to the foreign people, Chinese people, and whoever. You can add me on my WeChat, LAVINI 2604. Okay, I hope you can find me. And now, here are the Easy Learn students. Oh, teachers. God. Now, for example, this one. Gray. Teacher Gray is my friend. This is her WeChat. Wait a moment. Yeah. I want to know if you can see the PPT after class. If after, okay, I will, I hope that you can add me on my WeChat so that you can also practice with me, and I can also help you if you have any question. Okay, this is Teacher Gray. Teacher Gray is from Philippines. She is a new teacher, and she just worked for about 0.9 minutes. Maybe 9 minutes. I know. Sorry, 90 minutes. Okay. So this is her WeChat ID. You can also add her. They are my friends. You can trust them. Okay. We sometimes go out. Now we are going to end 9 o'clock. I will just introduce them to you, and then I'm also going to send you a message. Other teachers, Angel, Nikki, Red, oh, Camille Tan, Shasha, Abigail, Fred, Ed Ranches, Hazel, Teen, Teacher Dane, Teacher Queen, and Teacher Mai. So they are the teachers that you can also call if I am busy. But I hope I can also teach you, everyone. I'm going to help you with the things that you would love to do. Wait, I'm sorry everyone, but now we have to go. I know you are going to be busy because now my student is going to call me now. It's 9 o'clock. We have an appointment, and I will see her now. So thank you everyone. I hope you can add me on my WeChat, and the next time, I hope there is a next time for us to have another YY class. Thank you. I'll be excited to meet you, everyone. And also, I hope you enjoyed my class. I hope that you have learned something from me today. See you. I love you, everyone. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye bye.